Hi, I'm Alan Pruitas from Capstone Partners, and we have with us now Albert Zaragoza
Yes,
from
that's right.
Worldsensing.
Yep.
So Worldsensing is a big name.
Yep.
So tell us a little bit about what you do.
So basically, we are an industrial IoT company, and we are very verticalized. So we are helping industrial companies in construction sites, mines, and critical infrastructures manage their operations. So we are helping them become more efficient, what we call the operational intelligence. Yeah.
So it's really about the data.
The data, yes. Yeah, definitely.
So there are many areas around data. There's the sensor side of collecting the data. There's the connectivity management, application development, and analytics. What pieces of the whole puzzle do you work on?
So basically, we are an end-to-end. So we provide the whole solution for our customers and partners. So we go there, we analyze how they've set up their operations, and actually connect to the traditional sensors that they have, geotechnical sensors that they have, right?
Okay.
So we help them connect that data. Up until now, what they were doing is reading that data in a very manual way. So they were sending, operators to read data every day, every week. It's a huge cost, right? So then basically what we help them is to connect that to a LoRa data logger, and send that data to a central operation site where they can analyze and make use of it. So that's
interesting.
what.
Now, do you only collect data from your own sensors, or do you also use existing other sensors that may be transmitting data?
Yeah. So basically, what we are doing is reading data from geotechnical sensors. They are physical sensors. Those sensors, they don't send any data out. Okay. So they read from the field, and then we are helping read that and send it through LoRa. So up until now, those customers, they don't have any way to send that data.
Okay, is this a lot of SCADA data, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's similar to that. So basically, what they were doing is going there with a reading device and do a manual reading. No, what we did is to help them with this.
I see. So you don't have to interfere with their existing infrastructure. You're simply adding something on.
No, and that's the key. That's the key, because these industries are really traditional. No, those sensors, they work very well. So they've been working 50, 60 years. What we've done is to help the operation. So we save them money, and also they get the data in a more recurrent way. No, so
that makes sense. You're really making the existing infrastructure smarter.
Exactly.
And connected.
And what we've done for them as well is to set the whole LoRa infrastructure. What these customers are, the problem they are experiencing is they're very remote. They are very, they are in the middle in the Amazons. The mines are always remote locations. They don't have connectivity. We set the connectivity for them. So we place the LoRa network for them, and we make sure that the data gets to their geotechnical experts to analyze it. So that's how we help them.
Wow, I can just imagine you traveling through the jungle to go install a network and some sensors.
It's exactly like that. So it's exactly like that.
That's exciting. So you get the data into your platform.
Yes.
And then what happens?
Yeah, and then basically what they have in there is a software that they can use to trigger alerts. So they want to know when something is bound to happen. So when they are going to experience an issue with the geotechnical space. So they have alerts, they monitor the infrastructure, they know when these devices are dying, they know when they're experiencing issues with the network. So actually what we provide is visibility about the whole operation. No? So what they want to know is my data is coming through, and it's safe. No, we are having that data. Yes.
Okay, but just to be clear, because these are some remote locations, and so the connectivity back to a cloud may be limited.
Yeah.
You're doing all this with a deployed instance at the actual location?
At the actual location, yes.
Okay, so you don't have to go back to a cloud environment. In essence, they have a local node that has this running.
Up until recently, what we had is the gateway was the server for them. Okay, so because it was the basic LoRa implementation, right? But right now with LoRaWAN, what we are doing is also sending that data to 3G, 4G to a central cloud location, and then spread it throughout the whole world for them.
That makes a lot of sense.
Some of these companies are worldwide based, and they want to have visibility not only of the operation in one mine or one infrastructure, but globally. So the IT departments are asking us, look, give us more information about how our networks are set up. So we are setting them up with the networks and then helping them run them. So that's
great. Now, where is your company based out of?
We are based in Barcelona, in Spain.
Barcelona, of course, we all get to go to Barcelona every year in February for the big Mobile World Congress.
Yes.
And it's beautiful then, although it's not summertime.
Yeah.
But it's a great place. And so, do you do work just in Europe or all over the world, or how do you?
All over the world. So basically, our sensors, they are very. I mean, we've tested them in ranges of -40 degrees to +80. So we have some of these sensors near the Antarctica. We have also other ones in the desert, the Gobi Desert right now in Mongolia. We're setting up an installation. So pretty much anywhere in the world, yes.
Wow, you really like all the exciting vacation spots.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's beautiful there.
Well, Albert from Worldwide Sensing, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Cheers.